Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both car and phone. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and CarPlay is allowed in settings. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the Range Rover Sport USB-A or USB-C port. A damaged cable breaks connection, so swap if needed. Once done, unlock your phone and approve any on-screen prompts. In short, connect physically, accept permissions, and wait for the infotainment to detect a new CarPlay session before moving to the next configuration steps. Once the Range Rover recognizes your iPhone, you must authorize the pairing on both devices. Tap Allow on the phone and confirm on Pivi Pro. Next, arrange apps so frequently used ones appear first. Go to Settings General CarPlay on the iPhone, select your vehicle, then drag icons into preferred order. Make sure to enable Siri for voice control. After that, use the touchscreen or steering wheel buttons to open maps, music, or messages quickly and reduce distraction while driving. Finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri for directions, play audio, and send a short message to confirm hands-free operation. If CarPlay won't appear, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off/on, restart the iPhone, and reboot the Pivi Pro system via Settings or Vehicle Power Cycle. If problems persist, swap the Lightning cable or try another USB port. These fixes solve most connectivity faults. As a last resort, update iPhone and vehicle software, then contact Land Rover Support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.